Hello everyone. So finally, after बहुत सारी मेहनत, I am here with a detailed prep strategy for the last month or how much of a time you have while watching this for your NFAT entrance exam. And yes, I have got a lot of tips and free resources for you as well. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So firstly, for all those who don't know me, hi, I'm Niharika, a second year BBA MBA student at the National Forensic Sciences University, pursuing the integrated program in management from the beautiful main campus at Gandhinagar, Gujarat. And yes, I secured All India rank 23 during my time, which was 2022-23. And मैं पहले ही बता रही हूँ that I am not promoting any channel, any website or any particular person by means of this video. It is totally my personal opinion and what I feel might be the best for your preparation. Now this video will specifically cover for the BBA MBA program, but again a lot of the topics are similar for your entrance exam also. So I would definitely suggest you please do watch it because you can also use the same tricks for your preparation. The exam contains of 100 questions with a timer of 90 minutes and the marking scheme of +1 -0.25, and there are 6 sections that have been separately mentioned, so we are going to be studying according to that. Number 1, general knowledge. Number 2, logical reasoning and aptitude. Number 3, mathematical reasoning. Number 4, data interpretation. Number 5, information and communication technology. And number 6, communication. They say that generally the weightage is the same for each topic, but regardless of what the weightage is, you're going to be putting your best for each and every subject. Because a major change that I have noticed in these 2 years of me being at NFSU is that now NFSU is no more a backup option. People are actually aiming for NFSU. For your reference, the NFAT exam is conducted by NTA and it's easier compared to the level of IPMAT Indore or JIPMAT, but it is somewhat similar to the level of NPAT Narsi Monji or SET Symbiosis. Now I'll be mentioning a lot of PDFs or links in this video, right? To make it easier for you, I have mentioned all of these PDFs and links neatly in a Google Drive under your course name. So you can go to the description down below and you can check out all of these PDFs. So I would suggest you कि वो खोल के रखो so that you can match with whatever I'm saying. Starting with general knowledge. So general knowledge is going to be very vague. You do not know what is going to come, क्या आ सकता है, क्या नहीं आ सकता है, right? But still you majorly need to study 2 things, static GK and current affairs. For static GK you can go through any of these 2 videos. They are pretty long, but again सब कुछ अच्छे से clear हो जाएगा. Next for current affairs, that is again very random, but the safest that you can do and what I also did during my time is that do पूरा 2024 के current affairs through any one shot. You'll get a lot of videos complete to 2024 current affairs, one shot, all of that. And for 2025, study the monthly current affairs for each month, like January current affairs 2025, February current affairs 2025. This is what I did during my time. So you have your exam in June, so do it till May, January to May. But yeah, don't stress much about it. Focus on other topics as well. Next up, logical reasoning and aptitude. So this is more like mind games. You just have to read the question carefully and try to attempt it, right? So I would suggest you to start from a book right today itself. So there's this workbook that I have mentioned in the same drive. It contains like 500 logical reasoning questions, but of course you don't have to do all of them. Even if you do 200 to 300, that is more than enough. So like if in one set there are 20 questions, you can maybe attempt 10 of those questions that look challenging enough and try to complete whatever questions you're doing before 5 to 7 days of the main exam. And still if you want to practice some more, go through any one-shot videos on YouTube that you can find for logical reasoning, or you can go through this LRDI playlist. Next up, mathematical reasoning. So this is kind of new since till last year it used to be quantitative aptitude type, but yeah, we are going to be studying arithmetic for this. Generally higher maths नहीं होता है, so do not stress out much. It's just very basic simple arithmetic problems. First off, you can start with this one shot video that will help you clear off your basic concepts. And उसके बाद भी if you want to practice some more questions, you can try it out from this campus recruitment book in the same Google Drive link, which has a lot of questions across various subjects, and you can just check out the quantitative aptitude part. But अगर तुम्हें logical reasoning के भी कुछ questions try out करने हैं, then go for it. Next up, data interpretation. So if you have been preparing for other exams, you would have somewhat done this as well. But if you have not, again पहले you can just go through any YouTube lecture that will cover most of your concepts, and then you can again go with this workbook that has a lot of questions across various kinds of data interpretation problems like pie chart, line graph, area graph, and just everything across data interpretation. Next up is information and communication technology. So this might be a completely new thing for a lot of people, just like it was for me, because मेरे से computers तो होता ही नहीं है. But if you have studied CS or IP, then it's pretty much the same. You just have to brush up your concepts. एकदम बेसिक सी चीज़ें होती है, what is computer, what are the different types of ports, hard disk, drive, LAN, MAN, WAN, all of that. And since the detailed syllabus also says that you have to study abbreviations, you are studying it, no taking chances. मैंने भी अपने टाइम पे 100-200 abbreviations याद किए होंगे. So for your benefit, I have compiled a list of 100 most commonly used abbreviations in information and communication technology, neatly in a PDF, again on the same Google Drive link. And if you still are not sure about your preparation, you can just Google down ICT questions for practice and you'll be getting a lot of websites from where you can practice it. And finally, communication. So this might be new for people in science or the arts stream, but if you're from commerce like me, you would have studied it in your business studies in 11th or 12th. Very basic, like the types of communication, what are heuristics, or verbal and non-verbal communication and all of that. So to begin, you can go through some videos on YouTube, any of these, or you can go through the NCERT books as well, or finally you can practice some questions from online websites. And isse zyada do not worry too much, do not stress a lot, it's going to be easy, it's going to be fine. And another important tip that I would like to share is that please do take admission in a backup college that gives you admission without any kind of entrance exam. And I don't know if you guys might be knowing it or not, had I not been in NFSU, my backup option was Amity Kolkata. A lot of you might be laughing at me, making fun of me, whatever, but yeah, I chose it for multiple reasons. Maybe good food, my parents, or the place, everything etc. is good, and my merit score was, I think, good in 10th and 12th, so they were willing to give me a 100% scholarship as well. And rahi baat development and growth ki, I am pretty sure that whatever I am doing right now, I would have been doing that regardless of whatever university I would be in. And that is the kind of confidence that you also need to have, right? चाहे किसी भी college में जाओ, college is not going to spoon feed you. So yeah, that was it from my side. Please do let me know in the comments if you have any more queries or whichever next course you want me to make a detailed prep strategy for. I will definitely try to come up with it. And please do comment down in case of any queries. मैं सारे comments check करके reply कर देती हूँ, okay? And yes, you can always connect to me on my Instagram ID @Niharika or my LinkedIn ID. And I'll also be sharing you the link to our WhatsApp group. And yes, all the best. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.